He had to come at a whole bunch of people to promote himself.
It's not about who's better in that situation now.
Yes, he is. That's the whole thing is about. He's saying that he's better than all these niggas. He don't go for who.
No, exactly. But you say it yourself. It's better in lyrics. Not better in material. Not better in money.
It's not even better in money.
I'll put them on YouTube.
It is because now all these
put them on YouTube.
Exactly.
And
think about this though. Think about this. Think about this.
Nobody. Exactly.
Think about this though.
It's not about.
Think about like this.
Yeah, exactly. He's
when 50 was in his prime, what was he doing?
Beef, killing niggas.
Tupac. He was beefing.
He was killing niggas.
He was beefing. Now everybody has a beef. Now everybody's record sales is going to jump higher because they're going to know what track is he going to spit something at Kendrick on. They're going to listen to the music now. Just like how Biggie and Pac was all there bumping and all that shit. They was selling. They was motherfucking making hella bread off of just selling.
It's just the same shit repeating itself, yeah?
Exactly. It's just recycled. Now we're literally making the new class of who's Biggie, who's Pac, all that shit.
Now
it's just in a less of a violent form.
Now you even hear the word classic. Everybody throws that around.
Yeah.
The new classic. Why everybody want to make something classic now?
Before
it was everybody was about that radio.
Fuck that dope face ass nigga Kendrick.
He ain't got nigga got bars, nigga smart. At the end of the day, he put himself on a whole different level.
Okay, so if we blew up next year,
he put himself on a whole different level.
So if we blew up next year,
y'all start coming at Drake, I'm sorry for y'all. I'm
like, cuz don't do that.
They gonna be dissing that nigga. I'm like, Drake, I love you.
Fuck it, I would just have to do it. You feel me? But I'm just saying, like that's the whole thing. Like it's just about, like you get me? It's like for example, like for me, this will like mean a lot. You feel me? Like if somebody big as hell, like for example, like I said another thing, like stereotype, Dr. Dre, right? Best producer. Right?
Scott.
Dr. Dre, best producer, shit, right? This nigga Kendrick comes to him with his album. I seen this in the video. And usually, like, everybody knows Dr. Dre, he don't, like, look how long his album is taking out, and that's because of perfectionism. You feel me? Like, type of shit. When Kendrick went to him with his album, when Kendrick went to him with his album, he said, okay, like, he didn't even have to listen to it. He knew what Kendrick was about by the time he got to him. It doesn't mean, like, oh, this nigga, I got it, like, he 3 years in, and you feel me, this and that. It's about who you are at that moment. Like, for example, me, I've been rapping for what? 3 years. When I tell 2 years, like when I tell people that, they're like, what? Like, you feel me? Like, how? You feel me? Like, that takes 5 years. You feel me? Kind of thing. Like, it's all about, like, doing shit like that. Doing shit nobody did. Like, for example, like, my nigga, honestly, he got on his side in the West Coast, all these niggas, Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, The Game, all the West Coast things.
That's why he felt like he could do the shit.
Exactly. And now, exactly, he earned, to me, he earned, right, gas it or not, he just earned what he got. Like, he earned to say shit like that. And now, like,
yo, he ain't earned shit. When Kendrick first came out, he was garbage. Ass.
Nah, but that's the thing. That's the thing, though. That's
gotta go.
Wait, listen, though. Listen. That King bar, that King of New York
Think
bar.
about it. When Game came out, he dropped $1 million. He ain't earned no title.
But that's the shit. That's the shit. Look, this is what niggas want.
He said no. He said King of West Coast.
Alright, but he said King of New York.
Kendrick said Kendrick.
No, Game Crown said it too.
When he was going at daggone massive niggas in New York, he was saying I'm King of New York.
But listen though, the whole shit is that he didn't really say he was like. This was a thing. It was a metaphor. You could take it however you want, kind of thing. He said, "I'm Machiavelli." Listen. He said, "I'm Machiavelli's offspring. I'm Tupac. I'm the King of New York. I'm Biggie." That's just a metaphor. Now you take it how you want. If you think you gonna come at me because I said that, then so be it. That's all it is, my nigga. It was a metaphor that niggas took indirect. Now what? Like niggas gonna come at him because
that's what it's made to do.
All right,
but that's you might as well take it.
Think about every nigga that Dago wanted to spit after. They're not coming at him like in the sense of I'm gonna kick this nigga ass when I see him. He on the part of
like they gonna diss him
coming at you because I see where you going with this, my nigga.
And when they see each
and
other,
that's exactly what Joel Ortiz said. He said street niggas can't come kill you with hollows. And then he said some shit about this real rap, straight bars, some shit he said. You know what he said word for word. Basically, that's what he just said.
Well, why do you think Joel Ortiz to say, yeah, I'm still a free agent in the mall? He's telling niggas I'm still out here. He's putting himself out there, relevancy. Yeah. Keeping everybody that doesn't know him, because now everybody...
My nigga, today.
You go to the white hoods, you go to white places, now them niggas who know Kendrick, oh, who's that nigga Joel Ortiz?
today I heard
Now
three
he got-
niggas. Three different
he killed
niggas.
that
I heard
shit.
three different
Now
niggas
you
I
got
never
white
heard
niggas listen to you all the time.
just because they
Right.
dissed Kendrick. I just like it just said Kendrick response, so I just listened to it. Three niggas I never heard. Now, feel me, now I heard them rap
Who?
because of some
three
nigga
niggas?
named Mickey Fax, some other two weird niggas. Now they're niggas, you feel me? Like I see their music on like Hot New Hip Hop, whatever site I go on, I don't click on it.
Yeah.
Feel
never
me?
look
But
on
now he dissed Kendrick. I want to listen. You feel me? What is he saying? And that's just what it created. You feel me? Like
He did it.
like you feel me? It's that's just what it is. Like
Come on, y'all, son, push this shit down.
yeah, what a